So I wanted to show you how I make my alphabet applique. The yarn I'm using is West Yorkshire Spinners Colourlab in double knit. It is 100% wool, but the beauty of this particular yarn is that you can actually use medium setting on your iron, and you can wash this at a maximum temperature of 40 degrees centigrade. The color that I'm using here is called Zesty Orange, and they have other colors as well, such as Crimson Red, Thistle Purple, Harbor Blue, Lime Green, and so on and so forth. So after you make your letter by crocheting, you want to stiffen it. So this is half and half PVA and water. I apply it on one side, usually at the back side, and then I will let it dry on a surface that will not stick. So in this case I'm using aluminum foil. Okay, and I wait about a day for it to dry up. And after that I take this iron-on adhesive called Bondaweb, and then I iron on one side, okay, the rough side actually. You apply a medium setting for about 5 seconds every time you apply heat, and you have to do it on both sides. So that's 5 seconds each, and I'm just speeding this video up. And then you take off the excess Bondaweb material. You don't want any pieces of paper or Bondaweb sticking out when you apply this on your t-shirt or whatever fabric you want to apply this on. Okay. And then you take off the piece of paper at the back side of your Bondaweb. And then you take a shirt that you can actually apply iron on. So don't use any fabric that you cannot actually iron. Again, medium setting, 5 seconds every time you apply heat. And do this a few times on both sides of your material. And then you do this at the back side of your shirt. Now the beauty of this applique is that even though it's made of wool, you can actually wash this on regular wash with a maximum of 40 degrees centigrade. It does say that it's recommended you don't tumble dry it, but I have actually thrown it in the wash a few times on tumble dry, and it has actually survived. So I know that some people would like to put applique on their kids' shirts, and you know, kids, they like to muck about because they're kids, right? And you would want to just throw in all their clothes in the wash just to get it clean, and it will survive. It's quite robust. If it does come off the applique, you can simply do the same process again. Very simple. Medium heat, 5 seconds on each side. Simple as that. Thanks for listening.